How to combine videos in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to combine videos in TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for TikTok and make sure to click on the update button if it is available. Once you're done updating your TikTok app, then simply click on Open and then click on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. Once you're right here, simply click on Upload and then wait for it to load. Once you have clicked on Upload, make sure to click on Select Multiple right here and then click on the circle found on the upper right of the video. For example, I will choose these three videos. Simply click on Next found on the lower right corner of the screen and then wait for it to load. And then, let's say for example that you want to adjust the clips, simply click on Click Adjust Clips right here and then you may also click on the mute button right here if you want to, and then you may explore the other settings right here, such as adjust, the edit, the sound, text, and overlay. And then if you want to change the um, order of the videos, then you may be able to press and hold on to one video and then slide it to anywhere you want. Click on save on the upper right corner once you are done, and then now you may click on next and post your video. So that's it. That's how you can combine videos in TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.